Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some amazing Walgreens deals that you could do for the week February the 12th to February the 18th. If you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any of my videos and deals. All right, our first deal of the week is on the Dove and Dove Men body washes. They're on promotion $7, and when you buy two, you're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash. And we also have a $3 off two digital coupon on our Walgreens app. So you want to go ahead and pick up two Dove body washes for $14. Use that $3 off two digital coupon. You're going to pay $11 at the register, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making your final cost $7 for both or $3.50 each one. And for this deal, you could definitely use Walgreens cash. All right, for our next deal, we have the Tresemme and Dove hair care products on promotion, $6 or $7. And when you buy three, you're going to earn a $5 register reward. We also have a $7 digital coupon on our Walgreens app that you can go ahead and clip it. So for this deal, you want to buy three Tresemme hair care products for $18. So you want to grab the $6 ones. You're going to use the $7 digital coupon, pay $11, get back a $5 register reward, making your final cost $6 for all three or $2 each one. All right, guys, another diaper deal. So the Huggies and pull-ups are on promotion, two for $21. And when you buy two, you're going to earn a $4 register reward. And we do have a $4 off digital, but it does expire on the 11th. But I'm definitely hoping we get the same digital coupon back, or if not, the $2 off of one. So let's just wait and see until Sunday to see which coupons we get. So for this scenario, you want to go ahead and pick up two Huggies priced at $21. Use that $4 digital coupon, hoping we do get it. You would pay $17 at the register, get a $4 register reward, making your final cost $13 for both or $6.50 each one. All right, our last deal is on laundry care products. This week they will be on promotion for $5.49 of the Bounce, the Downy, the Gain, the Tide laundry care. And when you buy three, you're going to earn a $5 register reward. We also have some digital coupons, and this deal also qualifies for spending $15 and earning a $5 register reward on select P&G products. For this deal, you want to go ahead and pick up one Tide Pods, priced at $5.49, a one Tide Liquid, $5.49, and the Downy, $5.49, making your total $16.47. You want to go ahead and use those digital coupons for the Tide Pods, the Tide Liquid, and that $1 Downy coupon. You would pay $13.47 at the register and get a $5 register reward for purchasing the three. And you're going to earn a $5 register reward for spending $15 on select P&G products. This is such an amazing deal. So your final cost, which I did not put it in the slideshow, would be 347 for all three products or $1.15 each one. This is absolutely amazing because you're getting excellent laundry care deals for more than 50% off. All right, guys, so I have a scenario using the $7 Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $25 on beauty and personal care products. So you want to go ahead and pick up two Dove body washes priced at $14. The three Tresemes are going to be priced at $6. You want to grab the $6 ones for a total of $18. You would pay $32 at the register, use that $3 digital coupon, use that $7 Tresemme digital coupon, and you would pay $22 at the register. But then you're going to get back a $4 Walgreens cash for the Dove, $4 register reward for the Tresemme, and that $7 Walgreens cash booster, making your final cost $7 for all five products or a $1.40 each one. All right, guys, these are all the deals I have for that week at Walgreens. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I also post on TikTok. I hope to hear from you guys soon, and let me know in the comments what is the deal that you're most looking forward to do and what is your favorite. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.